If you're going to use an LBank referral code, you will receive up to a $255 welcome bonus from LBank. Now, if you're just here to get an LBank referral code, you can just simply copy the code that I have included in the video title and paste it to your sign-up form if you're in the process of creating an account right now. Or you can also click the link in the video description that looks like this, and you will be routed to this exact page for you to create an LBank account and receive up to a $255 welcome bonus. Once you reach this page, you just need to fill out your email or phone number, whichever you prefer, and then click this button, claim $255 welcome bonus. I know for sure you already know the background of LBank. It's one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. As you see here, it's on the top 20 according to CoinMarketCap. So just go ahead and continue creating your account using the link in the video description or the LBank referral code that I have in the video title. Let me know in the comments if you still have questions and make sure to like this video. Thank you for watching and good luck.